So we are going to create a protocol for actinium
Right,
acquisition.
right. So Actinium-225 is a dual energy emitter. One energy is 218 kV and second is 440 kV, which is suitable to scan using high energy general purpose collimator. So we will create energy on the SPECT-CT console. Uh, in the service tab, you have to go to the configuration option. In that you have to go to the energy session, energy editor. Here is the option add energy sets. So you have to go to the create new option and you can rename it to Actinium 225 and create a EM, and DICOM tag can be given. DICOM tag we can give to
We have to keep not
DICOM. DICOM tag is not there, so you can put any just for that. This is just a tag. So okay, just click OK.
so it will not give any confusion.
No, no. And this one, the previous one was technician, that you can remove. So now it's actinium only. And
This
this,
field is not editable.
no, this is just a tag. It will be there inside the software. It won't just be display anywhere. And then you have to add two energy windows. Let's edit this one first. Select this and edit and put the energy window to 200 and 218. And we put 20% energy window. You know the half-life of this? So half-life is 1, 3, 2, 4, 8 in minutes.
Yes. That is 9.92 days, which is converted into minutes.
Okay. So this is the first peak. Now second peak will be 440.
None. No, it is allowed.
HEGP is here. HEGP is there. Okay. Then save as.
This I think we need to modify. Put on HGP. This is it real? Yeah. I think if we take iodine, we need iodine HGP. So the energies are nearby to that. All of this collimator we are using, so I think we can go ahead for saving.
Yes. Ideally, we had to create the map using actinium. Yes. Then Actinium.
Save as. And this session extension, what does it mean?
Actinium-225. Actinium-225 is scanning the.
Okay, the extension.
जैसे Actinium-225 is scan
What is scan?
and close. Now create the protocol. Mosquito. We'll create it separately. Oncology, actinium will write there. Okay, so go to the factory. Oncology. आयोडीन किधर है? चलो ये ले लो. ACL oncology. चलो ठीक है. Duplicate new.
And the user separate is created. What are the changes we are doing?
So this is the protocol where you are going to choose the lutetium, actinium with the energy session we just created.
Collimator, I think we need to make it.
Collimator to HEGP. And same here. Actinium 225 HEGP.
Acquire city.
You can choose the environment velocity. That's
Sales state.
you can image this big patient if you add extender.
I think 180 is sufficient.
This we can make faster.
Body contour, I think we need to check in.
This one?
For the spot, I think.
Yeah,
Manually.
it's okay. इसमें है.
It is already selected. Body
Let's
contour.
read first. This is what much? It's 60. Matrix is 64. ठीक है.
So we are done with